Now, when you start a question involving directions of the compass and an object above it, please make sure that you draw your north, south, east, west axis obliquely. Because I'm dealing with the north and the south and the east quadrant, I've drawn them to emphasize that aspect more. Now, a kite has a string length of 220 meters. It's 80 meters east, so I'll just put a little tag in there, and 75 meters north of the fly. Now that's the distance above the ground that we're looking at. So I'm just going to put in that 80 meters there. Haven't even considered the kite yet. So I should say 80 meters there and 75 meters north, and I'll shade that in. Now that means the kite is above the ground at that point. So I'll just draw a vertical. And my kite, excuse the lousy kite diagram. So I have two triangles, base triangle number 1, and I've got triangle number 2, and the string length 220 meters. So I'll work in base triangle number 1 first. Just resketch that. Now if you can visualize these quite well, you might be able to get away without the diagram. But if, like me, you need to make sure you can visualize it better, go right through, even to the shading. I'll call that A, and we want the height B. So two aspects of the question: triangle 1, A, triangle 2, B. Once again, it's the hypotenuse that we're working with. So I've got the second part of the puzzle. I know the string length, or the hypotenuse, in triangle 2. I now know a base length. So this is the kite above the ground. And B will be the height. So it's a excuse me, square of the hypotenuse less the square of that base length that we know about. And that ends up giving me 190.72 meters. Now once again, the question didn't ask me what B was, it asked me in context of the height. So I could say the kite is 190.72 meters above the ground.